How to flash a chimney. Well, in this video I'm going to show you what not to do and how to flash a chimney, or how not to flash a chimney, I guess. If you follow along on this channel, you know that I hate tar and I'm not a fan of it and I don't recommend it. I don't recommend you guys use it. And those that do, they'll tell you you can flash with it. Yeah, you can flash with it, but they won't tell you it won't last. So let me bring you in and show you why I hate tar. Because tar will dry out, it gets brittle, it cracks, it'll peel away. It's never gonna stay stuck to it. And then you got this big channel for water. It's just a big invitation for an issue. You can also see the big gaping crack right here. It's pulling away over here. But this back, it's just a mess. Look at that. There's many people that have commented on the channel and say, oh, you can do it, you just need to reinforce it. Yeah, if you're gonna use it, reinforce it. It's gonna hold it up there a little better and it won't peel off like this did. But that doesn't make it stop to where it's not gonna leak and crack and dry and just be an issue. So if you get anything out of the video, don't use tar anywhere on the roof, except maybe stick a shingle down. That's about absolutely all I would recommend it for. It's not good, don't do it. And if your contractor says, don't use that contractor.